Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Sky Striker deck list, full whatever, featuring the new FNL list. So, hope you guys enjoyed, thumbs up, subscribe, all that good shit. Yes! I was like, oh man, I thought I was going to get a Sky Striker. Of course it was the last card I get. Um, Thinking, I guess. Yeah, Sky Striker's all dead, like we said yesterday. Sorry about that. I'll actually do a deck profile. The fuck is that? Oh, FAs? The fuck? Okay. No? Who the fuck plays FAs? Oh, nice. He's still forming. Um, Link into her. Use the effect. Add back engaged. No, that's still, I guess. Trying to get that third spell engrave. Yes, I guess. This is Sky Strikers do best. They just massive card advantage off of shit like a gate. Uh, Multi-row. Come on. Thank you. Um, you can really commit to anything? Huh. No, because I don't want anything in my main monster zone. Hmm? Oops. Oh well. I don't know why it's not letting me attack directly. That's weird. Damn, 2100 attack points? That's actually not bad. Aside from that, like, being cognitive, I'm a little tired today. And I'm hungry as a mofo. But yeah, just like, Skyshaker is still good. Obviously, I'm not playing anything right now, but you can tell that they all work. I still have multiple, what you call it, my grave. Okay, cool. Though I have enough spell cards, basically, to, really use that. Afterburner. I think I played like two Afterburners. I decided to play two, special. Like, I think I was playing two before, but now that, with Ingot at one, you really have to play two. Yeah, this is what this deck does best. It, just gains massive card advantage for nothing. You can choose this card until the monster you control. It cannot be destroyed by your opponent's card effect. This turn. Okay. I don't think it. I think it will still evolve. Okay. So basically, I'm just using my shit for free. Not that I have to use it for free because I'm plussing like a lot. And of course not. Okay. And of course I draw it. That sucks. Uh, well, I think I was like, wait, but after when it was solved, I realized, oh yeah, it couldn't have. Get this off my boat. I guess you could have guaranteed I got it off with this, but oh well. Okay, and screw you. Um, guess I don't have any more skyscrapers, so I'll try to my grave. Fuck. Um, yeah, I'm not gonna destroy my own card. I honestly could have Sun Rain and use that, but just because. Unfortunately, he can't. She can't attack me, which is really getting to me. I need to get rid of the equip spell. Is that a once per turn effect? Because, so no, so if you have multiple script him, whatever, then you could, in theory, draw multiple cards. So, like, you can, yes, just in case. There's only 13 phase. So, essentially, you can, like, make it where, uh, attack, draw 2 cards every freaking time, and the monster's so big that, it's pretty good. I probably won't, though. I just don't think it'd be that great. Yeah, I got back the afterburn instead. I wanted to pop things back. Oh, well, I'm at. It looks like I might not have time for. For deck profile. I don't even know how I'll have to finish this door. Yeah. One engage. Nope. Of course not. I actually should have shuffled back to Kagari. Wow, that sucks. Okay, no more way. Link back into Kagari. Kagari's effect activates. I'll add this. I'll pass my turn. Yes, you direct multi-row. No, I will not chain. Set the Hornet drone. I have to discard a card. I guess this. I'm just getting way too much massive advantage here. He just can't keep up, bro. I actually should have discarded table contents. That was my bad. Because I could have, an extra spell engrave. Oh well. Okay. I have like 1 minute left of recording. If I don't finish this duel, I apologize in advance. I don't think I'm going to be in the game. I'm going to try to end it as fast as possible. It's like at this point, I don't need cards, any spell cards, so. What is that? Yes, I won. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, know what you think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. This is the Jinzo signing out. Bye.